everybody, it's your girl Carrie Nick. I just had part 1 of my Colourpop review, but I had ordered 2 boxes. They came on the same day, so I'm gonna be showing you my second box now, which I can't wait to get into. So, as always, Colourpop puts out an adorable box, has their little logos and stars, and they give you a cute little card. We belong together. Yes, we do, because I can afford you. And you pretty. Okay, so first we have, this is called Take Me Home. It's a beautiful brown palette. I've been wanting something like this because I'm getting into browns lately. And honestly, I had like none in my collection. None. I was always like wearing blue or just black. That was about all I did for years. But now that I'm getting into makeup, girl. Okay, that was the box. This is the actual palette. She has a mirror. Yay! I love this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I love that this is like a gold shimmer, but we have 3 shimmers and 3 mattes, and they all complement each other. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be absolutely stunning. I could have used it for my look today, but I used this one. You Had Me at Hello, that I got a little while back, probably about 2 weeks ago, and I love her too. I used this shade, which is called Pulling Strings. I used this shade, Want You Back, and I used this one up here, this one here, called Two Peas. Those are the ones I used for today's look. I'm lying, I also used some of this, called Want You Back. Okay, we have Issues, Saltwater, Sidetracked, Popular Demand, French Kiss, and Bitter Better. So, let me show you French Kiss. Very nice matte, sort of a peachy. And I'm getting into Bitter Better. Also peach, but like a dirty peach, sort of a shimmer. Now we have Sidetracked. Ooh, nice. Sorry about my lighting. I'm trying, girl. I gotta get a new setup soon. This is called Popular Demand. It's the matte version. A little darker. This is called Issues. Darker brown right here. Let me just wipe my hand. I start with the other colors. There's 2 left. One left. I'm lying. And we are getting into that gold honey. This is what I'm excited to see. Saltwater. It's not even just a gold. It's sort of like a bronzy gold. She does not, like, the camera does not do it justice. Ignore these little scars. I had dermals there for 5 years. Mark over at Soma did them. Mark Bradshaw. He's an amazing piercer. He's so great. And they stayed for years and years, but when I had my C-section for my little baby Graham, I had to go ahead and take those out. I was so mad. So mad. Okay, this doesn't want to come off my hand. It blends nice together. Okay, so let us get into a lip. We have Ultra Matte Lip in Midnight Snack. As I mentioned in my other video, I love their lip products. And this is another nude. It's a light pinkish nude, which I'm excited to check out because that's my type of nude. I like it with a pinkish tone or like a mauve kind of a tone under it.
New champagne.
Oh, this is nice. It's very light. Do you like? I think it looks really good with this eye makeup I have on today too. Oh no, honey. I fixed that. Not happy about that. Okay, she looks good. I'm feeling it with this. Again, that is called Midnight Snack. Right back. Okay, I just put on a little bit of my Lippy Sticks primer. I have this already. I just bought this one. I just put on the one I already have. This one came with this order. You cannot have enough of this stuff. It's perfect for like making your lips feel really nice and conditioned and making sure that your lip doesn't kind of bleed out. I have an ultra matte lip called Cloudscape to try for you next. I forget what this, oh girl. Okay, so I've decided I wanted to delve into brown makeup. Eyes, lips, right? I never did before. This is a very dark brown. Very, very dark. I'm almost afraid, girl. I mean, what if I don't look cute in brown? I guess we're about to find out. I know my sister used to wear brown all the time. That's like, her lipstick was always brown back in the 90s and 2000s. And I still never delved into it. So... is she ever brown? Oh my goodness. I feel that this needs a little bit of another coat right here. Okay, she's dark. I like it though. Wow, that's really different for me. I think I can pull it off. What do you think? You let me know in the comments down below if you like this look. Very dark, definitely very dark. I almost have to get used to it, but I like it. I really like it. Okay, we're gonna try out another one. Next we have another ultra matte lip. This one's called And Chill. It's also a brown, but it's a lighter brown if I remember correctly. Yes, so this is more of a lighter brown. It's got orangey undertones, it looks like. So we will go into her. That last one was really easy to take off. I just used a baby wipe with a tiny bit of makeup remover and just off. Some of these like to stick around. I am always raving about Colourpop to everybody. I'm obsessed. Like, I literally ordered it one day. I had heard that they're the same distributor as Kylie Jenner Cosmetics, and I can never afford to order Kylie. I'll just be real. And so I thought I'd try these, and I am hooked. How excited are we for Kylie, by the way? That we all knew she was pregnant, but how excited are we that she got to come out and tell everyone, yes, I was pregnant, it was beautiful and wonderful, and here is this gorgeous little girl. I'm not going to show her to you because I'm shielding her right now from this harsh world. But here is Stormy Webster. I'm so excited for Kylie, it's ridiculous. Okay, girl, do we love this? I am loving this. It's like a dark terracotta. Eat it. Okay, girl, my coffee pot just had to do that. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Okay, girl, now we have a ultra glossy lip, and this is in the color Imagine. I imagine my lips are happy that this is the last lip color because, girl, I forgot what this was gonna look like. Oh my god, girl. It's glittery, it's red, it's Christmas in a bottle. I'm here for it. It's gonna look a little awkward with this eye, I think, but that's okay, girl. We're just doing a demo for you. We don't have to look perfect. Oh my god. So pigmented, it's not even like a gloss. Yes. Come through. I'm all about a red lip. Like, that's one of my signatures. Okay, girl. Come through, glitter. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love it. I love Imagine. It's so pretty. It almost looks dark pink, but it's not. It's definitely red. And I'm living, girl. Okay, so now we have two Super Shock Cheek highlighters. This one is called Pearlized. This one is called... Oh no, they're both pearlized. This one is called Tease Cake. And this one is called On My Mind. And we'll just check those out. Like I said earlier, I'm already wearing Colourpop highlighter along with my fairy dust that my friend makes. But we are going to try and get a look at what this would do on the cheek. It's definitely like a pressed format, which... I mean, could be gooder, but ooh, girl. No, it's actually like soft and feels more like a creamy type of a formula, which I'm excited about because I was about to say I'm not like the hugest fan of the powdery pressed kind. So let's try that on this cheek. And this again is Tease Cake. She's a little pinky. Okay. I think I need a little bit more. I like it. Okay, girl. I don't know if it added much to like what you can see on camera, but she is shiny and beautiful. Okay, I'm going to try On My Mind on my left cheek. So far I'm liking these. I'm thinking that if I wasn't already wearing highlighter, it would show more. And this is also sort of pinkish, but like different. I don't know how to explain how it's different. It just is. It's sort of peachy actually too. It's a peachy pinky. Let me try that. This is not how I normally put on my highlighter, but I already put away all my brushes. Okay, so the light can actually catch and you can see. Maybe I'll even turn it up a little bit just for this part. Okay, so girl, overall I'm very pleased with all of my products that I've received today from Colourpop. As always, affordable and beautiful. I will list the prices now. Imagine was $4.80. My Lippy Primer, $5.50. On My Mind and Cheesecake, my highlighters were $8 each. Palette Take Me Home was $10. Midnight Snack, Cloudscape, and Chill, all three of those lippies were only $5.20 each, girls, for a grand total of $51.90 US for the whole order. Once again, I live for Colourpop. I hope you enjoyed this review / try on, and please hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, thank you for seeing my video today. If you've been here before, thank you for rocking with me, and please be kind to each other. Make sure you hit that little like button if you liked this video, and hit that little bell if you want to make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. I've got some juicy stuff coming up this week, so definitely you want to be here for that. I love you guys. Bye.